26. Then the sage counselled, and Salaman heard, and drew the wisdom down into his heart, and sitting in the shadow of the perfect, his soul found quiet under, sweet it seemed, sweeping the chaff and litter from his own, to be the very dust of wisdom's door, slave of the firman of the Lord of life. Then the sage marveled at his own tortness, and wrought in miracle in his behalf. He poured the wine of wisdom in his cup. He laid the dew of peace upon his lips, and when old love returned to memory and broke in passion from his lips, the sage, under whose waxing will existence rose, responsive and relaxing, waned again, raising a phantom image of Absal, set it a while before Salaman's eyes, till having sowed the seed of quiet there, it went again down to annihilation. But ever, for the sum of his discourse, the sage would tell of a celestial love. Zuhra, he said, the luster of the stars, for whom the beauty of the brightest wanes. Who were she to reveal her perfect beauty? The sun and the moon would praise. Zuhra, he said, the sweetness of the banquet, none in song like her harp filling the ear of heaven. That dervish dances at her harmony. Salaman listened and inclined again. Repeated inclination ever grew, until the sage, beholding in his soul, the spirit quickened so effectually with Zuhra wrought, that she revealed herself in her pure beauty to Salaman's soul, and washing Absal's image from his breast, there reigned instead celestial beauty seen. He left the earthly and once come to know eternal love. He let the mortal go.